if you're working with latitude and longitude data and you want to find the distance between a lot of points, Excel, and you've got the data organized in Excel, it's helpful to have an equation to find the distances between those 2 points. Of course, there's many other tools you can use to do this, but I find this to be a handy way, especially if you have it already organized in Excel. So in this Excel file, we have a lot of cities, and these are actually the airports in those cities. And I'm trying to find the distance from between each of those cities, the airports in those cities, and the airport in Shelby, North Carolina. So I have the lat long for the Shelby airport, and I have the latitude and longitudes for all these other airports. And then here's the equation. I'm not going to read this out because it's a complicated equation. I'll paste this more generic form, and also I'll link to this Excel file in the description below. Feel free to use it. Maybe the only thing you may have a question about is this is for miles. So keep that in mind. This is for miles. The radius of the Earth is about 3,958.8 miles. If you're doing it for kilometers, you need to convert that and use the radius for kilometers.